This is the Asset Health Prioritization Agent. This agent helps maintenance and operation teams identify infrastructure assets that are at risk of severe degradation, irreversible health loss, or operational failure. The system analyzes asset health index, vibration levels, temperature stress, load stress, maintenance delays, queue priorities. Based on the signals, the agent recommends emergency escalation, early maintenance action, and stable monitoring decision. Now let us test the agent. Here, the agent identifies three critical assets: the 1, 5, and 10. This asset shows extremely high vibration and temperature, severe load stress, very low health scores, long maintenance delays, and no outage windows availability. The agent recommends immediate escalation, emergency maintenance execution, and moving assets to the top of the maintenance queue. Here, the agent identifies AH10, AH1, and AH5, AH4, and AH9. These assets have high health impact scores, long intervention delays, evaluated degradation risk, and poor queue positioning comparing to risk severity. The agent recommends advancing both assets into top maintenance priority group, scheduling maintenance before degradation becomes irreversible. This asset health prioritization agent improves operational reliability by transforming asset condition data into actionable maintenance decisions. It helps organizations to prevent critical equipment failures, reduce irreversible asset damage, optimize maintenance queues, improve planning, and reduce operational risk.